The whole reason behind an event is to build that personal connection. And that's, I mean, the most important thing behind an event. So you just want to maintain that relationship with your clients and potential clients as well.
Really thinking about the subject matter of the events. Is it actually something that your audience or your clients want to hear about?
I just want to do one event. I would say do a holiday event and do it a large one, an open house or family event, or perhaps a summer event where you can include your clients, your prospects, and your centers of influence.
The little details. So like if there's music playing in the background, maybe they should have that, or raffles, or just like little party favors and just the little details that tend to get forgotten.
I see advisors underspending on the follow-up and then creating that, putting that nice bow on the event, calling, confirming, lots of touch points. You know, when you see them in the office, mention how excited you are to see them, send them a confirmation email, send them a confirmation phone call.
I've had some advisors be concerned about how much communication they have for an event. Do you think that's something that they should be worried about?
Too much?
Yeah.
No, not at all. So I would absolutely take those that RSVP yes or no off the list. But other than that,